Once upon a time, in the wonderful world of Nursery and Foundation, our youngest learners stepped into the magical realm of fairy tales, where stories spark imagination and play is full of purpose. They began their adventure with the Gingerbread Man, measuring out ingredients from a recipe and exploring numbers. This hands-on activity introduced early mathematical skills, including understanding quantity, order, and the concept of more or less. Carefully decorating their gingerbread treats supported fine motor development and hand-eye coordination, while also encouraging creativity and expression. Next, they made porridge for Goldilocks, measuring, mixing, and tasting their warm bowls of porridge. Through this, children built on mathematical language like full and empty, and developed an understanding of changes in state and texture, deepening their knowledge of the world. They also enjoyed imaginative role-play in a teddy bear setting, building relationships, expressing emotions, and developing story language. After listening to the story of Jack and the Beanstalk, the children drew a giant beanstalk and measured themselves against it, using comparative terms such as tall, taller, and tallest, bringing mathematical comparison and measurement to life. This activity encouraged language development as children described, compared, and collaborated with their peers. Rapunzel's long hair inspired a rope craft, enhancing dexterity, grip, and the use of one-handed tools like scissors, supporting fine motor control, crucial for writing. With Snow White, children created shiny mirrors and participated in an outdoor scavenger hunt, retelling the story in their own words. These experiences developed sequencing skills, story comprehension, and an awareness that print carries meaning. Students grew confident in storytelling, starting conversations, asking why questions, and building vocabulary whilst acting out Little Red Riding Hood. Through imaginative role-play, they developed communication and language skills and learned to take turns, all laying the groundwork for empathy and expressive storytelling. They even explored a fun twist on a classic tale, Goldilocks and the Three Crocodiles. After reading, the children reordered the story and made crocodiles from their footprints, expressing themselves through creative arts and learning about size and shape. These activities supported their understanding of narrative structure and offered opportunities for expressive collaborative artwork. Throughout it all, children shared ideas, explored characters' feelings, and learned to consider different viewpoints, developing empathy and respectful relationships. They gained confidence in new situations, built resilience through trial and error, and celebrated their successes with joy and pride, all while learning these classic tales. With every page turned, song sung, and prop created, they discovered that print has meaning and stories have structure, colours could mix to make something new, imagination and role-play are powerful tools for communication, maths is everywhere, from porridge bowls to giant plants, physical skills grow through purposeful play. And so, with hearts full of wonder and minds full of questions, our little learners continue their story, one magical tale at a time, growing across all 7 areas of the EYFS framework. And they all lived happily ever after.